Today we're going to tell you about our Atomy laundry detergent.
So we have a few different detergents here. We have the liquid detergent, we have the powder detergent, and we have the sheet detergent.
In this video, we will focus more on the powder detergent.
So when you order this product, it comes with 2 packages and it comes with a nice little handy spoon, which you can use to scoop the powder.
Is $13.50 for 233 washes based on a laundry load of 10 pounds or 100 washes based on a laundry load of almost 20 pounds. And just remember, it's all plant-based.
Atomy fabric detergent. There is a new and improved Atomy fabric detergent which has the same ingredients and price as before, but 400 grams of more product, and it has a stand-up zipper pouch. It has safe ingredients, powerful formula that fights tough stains and odors, it cleans thoroughly without leaving behind residue, and it is a reliable product that has passed skin irritation tests. It can be used in a regular washer and an HE washer. This Atomy detergent uses safe ingredients. On the internal, you have natural soda ash and baking soda, and on the external, you have natural plant-based surfactant, which is sugarcane and coconut extract. This helps to effectively remove all kinds of tough stains. It has a powerful formula. Atomy fabric detergent does not contain zeolite and therefore dissolves completely even in cold water. Be content with a thorough wash and do not worry about residue. It also has allergen-free fragrance that gives off a sweet, fruity, and floral scent while also minimizing skin irritation. This product has passed various tests that are antibacterial, for skin irritation, and biodegradability, so it can be used worry-free.
Thank you for watching this video.
And for the question of the day, in this video, we want to ask you, which laundry detergent do you prefer? The liquid, the powder, or the sheet? Or have you even heard of the sheet?